YouTube, I am back with another video. Wow. Dude, I got a new camera. This camera is crazy. I'm just here to give you a little garage update. I'm sure some of y'all are probably wondering, why do I not post any Shelby stuff? And that's because they're not here. We sold them. No, I'm just kidding. We didn't sell them. GT500 KR and the Shelby Super Snake got sent off to Fat House Performance, the white Shelby Super Snake. But the KR, if anyone knows who Fat House Performance is, the Fat House Performance is a very high-end, high-up. They know what they're doing, basically. They team up with Shelby, and they basically can do whatever you want to your Mustang. So a KR is 900 horsepower to the rear wheel, or to the engine, to the crank. A Super Snake is 825. The white one, the 2023, is 825 to the crank. Now the GT500 KR is 1100 to the crank, and the white one is the white one is 950 to the crank. So each one got about 150 to 200 more horsepower to the tires or to the wheels. That's a lot. That's a lot of horsepower for a car like that. The GT500, the GT500 KR is getting a new transmission, and I can't really speak on this because this is something that Fat House has never done before. So this will be the first one ever to have this. It may or may not have the code red transmission. You didn't hear that from me. You didn't hear that from me, but there's a chance of it. Let's just say this car is going to be an absolute monster. And the white Super Snake is also going to be a monster. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to have as much footage. Fat House apparently is getting me as much footage as they possibly can. They're going to send it to me on a hard drive, and I'm going to make a full series probably of those cars. So stay tuned for more Shelby content. Subscribe if you are interested in Shelby, because we are huge fans of Shelby over here. The garage is still looking beautiful as ever. As many of y'all know, I have more than one garage over here, but this is the main garage. Lots of hard work has been put into this garage. Lots of signs. Lots of, manual labor to get these signs up. GT3 RS, y'all seen this one on the channel. Every car in here you've probably seen on the channel. Not gonna lie, I'm starting to wonder if we have even put the Black Demon on the channel. I don't even think we have. I think the Black Demon has been stored away for as long as I've been doing YouTube, which is crazy. Y'all know of Barney, plum crazy purple demon, tuned to 1,000 horsepower. This baby is a monster. Y'all know the Demon 170, 1,025 horsepower from factory. This area is kind of demon themed, as you can see. Demon belt. This belt is so sick. Some of y'all have seen this table before on my channel, maybe not. But if you haven't, let me go ahead and explain to you. This is a 1 of 20 table in the world. It's actually made from Shelby. This has a real 427 motor in the table. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. VIN 1 is in Shelby's museum. Let's see. This is number 18. You can see VIN 18. Each seat has a VIN number on it as well. Whenever people come into the shop, this is honestly probably the one thing that blows their mind the most, is this table. A 427 motor is what they put in the Cobras back in the day. Speaking of Cobras, stay tuned. This is a kitchen. This was built this one out. That was probably the first thing I did, was build this kitchen out. Big Georgia fan here. More signs. This is also the same guy that builds this for Shelby built this. This is also VIN 3 of, I don't even know how many of those, to be honest with you. There's the Demon 170 box, because on the Black Demon and the Purple Demon, it comes with a drag strip crate. So basically you take this and it fits. There's a thing inside the actual box. You pull it out and it fits in the trunk of Purple and Black perfectly. Well, the 170, you take that to a drag strip and you rip it, because everything in there is drag related. For the 170, that from factory is ready to rip. So instead of giving you a big drag crate, they give you this thing And this is alcohol related because the Demon runs off of 170 proof alcohol. These are all the people that built my Demon 170. The specs to it, 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds. Absolutely crazy. That's the fastest 0 to 60 car in the world currently. And I know people are going to comment and be like, oh, Bryce, no, the ZR. No, the ZR1 is not even touching that in 0 to 60. See, alcohol related. Everything in here, Demon cubes. It's all a flask. I mean, they really thought of this when they did it, because obviously they knew they couldn't give a Demon box or a Demon. Oh shoot! Gotta put that back in there. The carpets. Every carpet in here is custom made. So from the front door all the way to the kitchen, custom made. This is actually from Germany. This is a real carpet from a Porsche dealership in Germany. This is from Shelby. This is also, actually this is not from Shelby. This is a custom made carpet that someone had made for us. GT3 RS carpet. Same guy that made that made this. Same guy that made that made this. And this has the VIN numbers to my Demon and my Demon 170. This is the black Demon and the Demon 170. If anyone was curious. Crazy. Most everything in this garage is kind of one of one. I want it to be something that like you'd only see once in your life. People that come in here and see this thing, they're always like, they'll see one thing and they're like, oh my gosh. And then they see another thing, they're like, what in the world? And it's like a snowball effect. They every time they turn around, there's something crazy. And that's what the goal was, building this thing. There's a upstairs as well. This Porsche sign. Here, I'll turn the lights off so you can see it better. But that Porsche sign from an actual dealership, crazy. These signs, this sign custom made. This sign you can buy without it being custom made. This sign custom made. This sign custom made. Most every sign in here is custom made. And here you are, you go upstairs, and this is the Mezzanine. This is a dream car of mine, a real Cobra, not a kit car, a real one. Hint, hint. Another Speed Demon hot rod shop. This is custom made. This sign right here was put in an auction, and it sold for $27,000. To give you a perspective of how expensive these signs can get, that is probably as crazy as it gets. What's cool is you can literally, I can literally touch this Demon just sitting here. This place is tricked out from top to bottom. Now I'm going to take y'all to the other garages. Dang. This whole lighting thing on this camera is tripping me out. I don't know how to... I'm learning as I go with this thing. Here's the Overflow. Obviously this is a shell unit, so nothing crazy has been done to it. 2024 final edition TRX. Red eye jailbreak. Charger. White carbon stripes. Blue brake calipers. And then a fan favorite on the channel. The Demon swapped Jeep. Not just a Demon swap, but an actual full turnkey. Drives incredible. New sign, Super Snake sign. Ooh, stay tuned. Maybe sooner than you think. And then a Mobile One. Oh, I did not mean to hit it that hard, but yeah, Mobile One Porsche sign. This is what a stock unit looks like. So now you can, get an idea of how much work was done in the other unit. A lot of Shelby content will be on the way. Some of the rarest Shelbys you've ever seen in your life will be here soon. Dang! Bro! I'm in like a galaxy in this truck. I'm happy with this camera. I'm happy with this camera. Anyway, I just left my garage and I'm leaving town in the morning. So I probably won't be filming for like 3 or 4 days, which fine. I got 2 videos made and ready to go. I'm sure some of y'all are probably wondering where all the Shelbys were at, and they've been gone for like a month and a half. They've been getting worked on for literally a month and a half by Fat House Performance. And I was planning on flying up there to do my own video with them. They invited me out there, but the problem was there's so much snow out there that they're out of Indiana, so I couldn't go up there because I wouldn't have been able to get in any cars, wouldn't have been able to drive any of them. They said I would be able to drive the Code Red, which that would have been a dream come true. The Code Red is, you know, it is the most exotic Mustang ever built. People are gonna be like, oh no, Bryce, it's the GTD. Dude, you know how many GTDs they made? You know how many Code Reds they made? They made 10 Code Reds for 3 years. Each year they made 10. There is 30 Code Reds in the world. That is the most exotic Mustang ever built. Oh, my camera's about to die. That's awesome. So the garage currently is pretty empty. I mean, not empty, but there's been 2 or 3 cars missing from this garage for a while now. That's gonna do it for today's video. I appreciate all of y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.